Good day, everyone. I am Gaylene IOC Aguilar, a third-year student pursuing Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. In this video, I am going to present the different tools and apps for macro skill in education: listening, speaking, writing, reading, grammar, and literature. First, we have 5 tools for listening and speaking. They are lyrics training, listen notes, teach vid, picha kucha, and speak practice your English. Lyrics training is an app that combines listening to songs with learning a language. It works in the web browser, but the app is available and can download it free in both Android and iOS. Students and teachers can register on the site, and the app will then track the students' scores. As a teacher, you can add videos and lyrics to songs you want to use with your students and add them to the lyrics training collection. While as a student, you can choose songs, then watch the video of the song and try to reconstruct the lyrics. It depends on your chosen level of difficulty, like whether reconstructing the whole lyrics or just answering few missing words. This is a great app to get students listening intensively, plus it is gamified. Mean to say, it will not make them to get bored easily. So, as they listen to the song, the music stops at the end of each line, and they then have a time limit to fill in the missing words. If they don't complete the line, they have to start from the beginning. Next, listen notes. A podcast search engine with a huge collection of podcasts on a wide range of topics. It helps students and teachers to find listening materials that fit their interest. They can easily be downloaded onto mobile devices anytime. The site provides an embed code for each episode. So, as a teacher, if you're designing online learning materials for the students, it's easy to embed the podcast into the materials or blog. After the students log in, they can start to organize their collections of different podcast episodes so they can keep on working with their listening skills while listening to them anytime and anywhere. Then we have TeachVid, an app that combines listening with watching videos. TeachVid uses video from YouTube and builds a range of different activities around them, varying from text reconstruction, translation, multiple choice, jumbled sentences, and many more. One of the nice things about TeachVid is that students can choose the types of exercise they want to do for improving specific listening skills. While if you register as a teacher, you can also create activities using videos of your choice and create classrooms so that you can share assignments with students and track their results. For speaking tools, we have picha kucha, which means chatter in Japanese. It is a unique and refreshing app which allows people to network and present their work to others. It is designed for creating presentation exactly 20 slides, which only appear for 20 seconds each. By this, students will be trained to practice speaking confident and concise. It will keep their presentation attractive, faster, and gets through all their content without fully depending on the slides full of text. For the last, before we proceed for writing skills, we have Speak Practice Your English. This app helps to improve one's English pronunciation by participating in conversation practice with virtual characters. It has a great visual graphics, diverse virtual characters with different professions and ages. They have highly clear pronunciation with slow speed and natural intonation that will help students to improve their speaking skills. Students or users will be able to choose a character to talk or chat with. Then this app will give them prepared conversation on different topics. They can test their own pronunciation by recording and scoring. Okay, let's focus on the tools that in line with writing skills. First on the list, we have WordPress, a free content management system used to build and maintain websites, as well as an open source publishing software that can be installed on a web server or hosted in the cloud and viewed on the WordPress website. By the way, it has an application too for an easy access. The reason why I put it under writing skills is that it has an easy and unique blogging features that will serve as an instrument for owning students' writing capabilities. It has different features like unlimited pages, posts, products, and more, integrated news and blog posting, easily add additional website editors, stability and reliability, and WordPress web design. Next, WPS Office, a leading office productivity suite for PC and mobile. It is designed to help businesses of all sizes create, edit, and share presentations, documents, and spreadsheets with clients or team members as well as teachers and students. An office software suite that has a writer, spreadsheet, presentation, and PDF editor. Therefore, it is convenient for us in our work and study to use WPS Office. A well-crafted and free office experience. It is one of the tools that helps to improve the writing skills of the students, for it can use for writing different academic writings like short story, poems, and essay. Last, the Google Docs, a document writing and editing web application under Google Drive developed by Google. It means you can create edit document files, write letters, create reports, as well as newsletter, banners, brochures, and almost anything that is you need for official works. Access anywhere, edit and view your docs from any computer or smartphone. Share your work and templates for faster document creation. Now, let's proceed to different tools for grammar skills. We have Grammarly, Ginger, and Scribens. Grammarly is one of the best free grammar checker tools that you can use for grammar, spelling, punctuation errors, and more. You can check up to 100,000 characters at a time. Just copy and paste the content into Grammarly Edit, then it will check the content. It will highlight the errors by underlining them in red, while it's more focused on spelling and grammar checks. OWL-based text checker, browser, Google Docs, and MS Word integration, 256 bits AES and SSL TLS encryption, personal dictionary, one user per account, and available for mobile interface. Then, the Ginger that offers a spell checker and online proofreading tool. It identifies the correction that best fits the meaning of the original sentence. It not just improves your writing skills but also boosts your productivity. We can use Ginger as a browser add-on, MS Word, Outlook integration, iOS, Android, Windows app, or directly from their online site. It is best for checking irregular verbs and adverbs, confusing wordings, misspellings, and common grammar rules in the English language. Smart grammar corrector and spell checks, proofread and type at the same time, third-party integration available, personalized practice sessions, terminology management, style check, and knowledge base. Scribens is a free grammar checker tool that lets you check hundreds of typos and grammar, spelling, and style errors. You can decide whether you want to manually fix unknown proper nouns or let autocorrect do its thing. The color codes for Scribens are as follows: grammar for red, verbs green, suggestion yellow, and typography and punctuation like commas or etc. it's blue. It has features of spelling and grammar corrections, beginner-friendly interface, access to dictionaries, no daily word limits, proofreading optimized, vocabulary enhancement, rephrasing and subjectivity, and Windows Mac browser compatibility. Overall, it's great for proofreading and editing blog posts manually. So let's go to fourth macro skill in education, the reading. First, we have Who's Reading that focus on comprehension, monitoring, and gamification. It is an alternative to traditional reading programs by offering short response options to book quizzes instead of multiple choice answers. Students are rewarded with wisdom coins for logging reading and answering open-ended and 3 higher-level questions. The responses to these questions are sent to you, where you can read and score them. Who's Reading also offers a standard aligned journal activities for use in between quizzes and book recommendations upon completing quizzes. MindMeister, a graphic organization and recognizing story structure. It helps students break down an otherwise complex plotline, text, or thought process and understand it more clearly, for it is a free mind mapping program. Students can build this from scratch, or you can build a framework for them to follow. Then for the last, reading training that will help to improve students' reading power. Reading training improves your reading speed and retention rate with many challenging and fun exercises. This app provides everything you need to read text of all types faster, more effectively, and most of all, with better retention. The app guides you through the individual training steps. The software immediately recognizes your strengths and weaknesses. It will let you see and track your progress. The results of each training exercises are charted for your review, which the more stars mean that you are getting closer to your objective. More effective reading skills and with extremely high reading speeds. And we are finally down to the last one, the literature. The first one is the script, a digital library to access audiobooks, books, magazine articles, podcasts, sheet music, and more. E-books and audiobooks across all genres including personal growth, true crime, business, travel, non-fiction, contemporary fiction, YA, science fiction, and more. Articles from hundreds of magazines including People Time. It has an access to the world's largest document library, which has more than 60 million documents including official government reports, case studies, study guides, academic dissertations, medical reports, and more. All content read or listen to on script can be synced across multiple devices. Download ebooks to read offline and can make notes and annotations and add bookmarks. Google Play Books, the one app you need to buy and enjoy ebooks, audiobooks, comics, and manga. Through this, you can choose from millions of best-selling ebooks, comics, manga, textbooks, and audiobooks, then download your book to read and listen on the go. It is best in class reading and listening experience for you read on Android, iOS, or your web browser, even you're offline. You can also track your reading progress and see what percent you've read and how many pages you have left, as well as organize your library into shelves. For the last, we have English novel books offline. It is a very convenient software application for reading books, classic works of English literature, and covers almost all genres: fiction, philosophical treatises, memoirs, children's books, and others. It displays a list of all the stories. You can select category of the stories, and of course, you can do offline reading, and plus, that it is easy to use interface. That's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot and may we utilize these different tools wisely and effectively. Have a great day.